Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. Today I'm sharing my realistic winter weekend morning routine. I promise you, this is nothing fancy, just how I actually start my slow mornings in December. Let's get into it. Girl, why you so cute though? On the weekends, I let myself sleep in a lot. During the weeks, I'm up at 4:45 every day. So there are no alarms, no rush, just vibes. I'm not getting up fast at all. And honestly, I deserve that. And on this particular morning, my husband was out of the house, so the kids were bed rotting with me. Typically on the weekends, I stay in bed for a few moments, minutes, hours before I get up, scrolling, praying, thinking, just taking a moment for myself. The Ellery. Once I get up, I start setting the mood and setting the tone for the house and for the day. The key factors are light, warmth, and anything cozy. That's why when I get out of bed, I put on my robe, put on my favorite slippers, light some candles, and get the house open and ready for the day. All of these things are intentional and instant mood boosters. And of course, on those cold winter mornings, I need something warm to start the day. Coffee, tea, hot chocolate, whatever I'm feeling. And today I just made a simple cup of morning brew coffee with my favorite creamer and a little bit of sugar. And this right here is the moment that my brain actually and finally turns on. On the weekends, we do breakfast big. I'm talking waffles, pancakes, eggs, grits, bacon, sausage. We don't keep it simple because it's very rare that as a family we get to sit down and eat together. So today I'm making some cinnamon waffles, scrambled eggs, bacon, and sausage. It's giving cozy cafe, but in the house. And in this house, we are a breakfast family. We love breakfast. Breakfast for breakfast, breakfast for brunch, breakfast for lunch, breakfast for dinner. Brenner, we will eat it any time of day. And the girls and I are going to sit down and enjoy our meal together today. Once breakfast is done, I'm awake and fed. I can clean up a little bit, just something small to start the day fresh and to reset the kitchen, and so that I can enjoy a little bit of peace and quiet. It's not going to be a whole deep clean, just a small reset so that we can enjoy the space together as a family, and I can have a little bit of time to myself without clutter around. Once I have cleaned and given the house a little reset, I can give myself time to just be. So I'm just updating my calendar and planner here. I can eat slowly, sip slowly, breathe slowly. And one of the things that relaxes me is crocheting. I love the quiet of a cold winter morning, just chilling and relaxing in the living room with my girls today. Even if I'm not going anywhere, I try to make it a priority to do my skincare on the weekends and take my time with it. It's my little reset before the day starts. I don't rush. The whole point of the weekend routine is moving slow. So we did not have a lot of plans today. My husband had to go to a work event, and we were taking the girls to go see Santa and take pictures. So that's what I was getting ready for. Then I get ready and get dressed for the day, and I just get dressed for whatever I have planned. That could be errands, lounging, content, or some family time. Today was some family time, but it was just going to be a quick outing. We were taking the girls to Santa Like Me, which is a company that has Black Santas, and we've been taking Harper since she was 1 year old. And the girls got to take pictures with Santa, and EJ and I also jumped in and we got some family shots with Santa Claus. So today the outfit is a little bit more elevated.
This one gone.
Just some khaki colored trousers, a white top, my cute green cardigan with the gold bows. The color scheme that we had for the pictures was green. Cozy but cute is always the vibe. And that's my realistic winter weekend morning routine. Thank y'all for spending the morning with me. I'll see you tomorrow, Vlogmas day 14. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay warm. Love y'all. Bye.